Model, 2007 Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 2.0 Cdti short wheelbase, starts runs needs turbo camper day van. Body, green, camper. Mileage, 149122. Engine, 1995 CCM 9R, 115 bhpg. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo oil seals have worn. Engine clutch and gearbox are good. Just needs turbo replacement. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. This van is partially converted into a camper with key features installed, offering great potential for a family getaway. It just needs some